Hello guys, hello YouTubers. Today we are going to do a quick review on the Tokyo Marui FN Five gas blowback airsoft pistol. Yes, airsoft, so if you are got here looking for the real steel, this one is an airsoft one, so click away and look elsewhere. So, your pistol will come with a manual, Japanese, some shooting targets and a magazine inside the pistol, a sample bag of BBs. I bought it second hand, so there is no BBs inside the box, and also an unjamming rod. This one also missing this unjamming rod, not a big deal. Okay, let's start with the magazine. The magazine is completely made of metal. The only difference is only parts are not metal, the magazine lips and the bottom plate, which makes a good flush grip when inside the pistol. Magazine can be loaded with gas on the field valve on the bottom, and BBs can be fed to the magazine from the front in this little circular widening of the front of the magazine, the BB reservoir. Okay, getting to the pistol. The whole outside of the pistol is made of plastic. The slide, the frame, I believe the trigger is the only thing that is metal, the mag catch, the safety, and the disassembly lever. So, from the back to the front, it has a very big pistol grip, so it is only recommended to shooters with bigger hands, because it only feels comfortable when you have bigger hands. It needs a bigger hand. It's an ambidextrous weapon. It has ambidextrous safety. The mag catch or the mag release button can be assembled to this side, so you can release the magazine with left thumb. Yeah. So externals, the internals, the outer barrel is metal, the sides are metal. I believe the front side. No, the front side is not metal. There are no real FN markings, however there are TM markings with the FN typography. ESGK, made in Japan. It has a under the rail and the front of the receiver. This has seen some usage, so there are light usage everywhere. This is normal. And let's get to the internals. The pistol itself can be disassembled by pulling back the slide. It's a bit complicated with one hand, but I'll try to manage it. And then pushing back the disassembly lever. This one here, right here. Oops. Yeah. And then the slides forward. And here we can see the internals are made of metal, and the frame has an internal metal skeleton, just as the slide. This is the hammer. Hopefully you see the internals. This part where the slides back and forth is also made of metal. and there is the package. Everything works fine, works very easily, and yeah, this is a Japanese machine, fine machine, craftsmanship. Okay, getting into the slide. There is the nozzle, the blowback assembly. Here is the hop-up wheel. It has a VSR style hop-up rubber inside, so accuracy is very good for a GBB pistol. This is the front of the slide, and as you can see, this is one of the rare weapons that has a caliber in real steel smaller than the 6mm GBB. And Marushin also makes an 8mm version. Okay, so this was the Marui 5.7 GBB. Okay, we'll try to chrono it. Yeah, I'm assembling it and chrono it later, just a minute. We are using Gunfire GFC Rockets BO.2s for chrono and Garder green gas. Okay, we are using my old X-Cortec X3 3200 chronograph to chrono the gun, loaded up with BBs, .2s, green gas, and let's chrono that. Has a very decent kick. First 2663, I have to say it's pretty cold now, it's winter here, so 266 at first, oops, T out, some feeding issues. 263, T out, 262. As you can see, the gas pressure is dropping. 263, pretty consistent for a gas blowback gun. 262. And 257.9. So, has a very decent kick, if I did not mention it before. It's a very accurate, very good sidearm, and it's lightweight and very gas efficient. I have to say, at least a mag can be fired with one full charge of gas. So, thanks for watching. Rate, comment, subscribe. Subscribe, it's free. And this was the Tokyo Marui 5.7 6mm gas blowback airsoft pistol. Goodbye. And yeah, I forgot to mention, stay tuned for the review of the JG HK416 2012 version. Bye.